Once again, hello everyone. In this video, let's walk through how the vending machine program operates step by step. Here, the first step is initialization. The program starts by defining a dictionary called product, which contains different categories of items available in the vending machine, along with their details like name, price, and quantity. The second step is the main function of our vending machine, where the vending machine function is called with the product dictionary and its argument. It starts by displacing a display menu function. It initializes the balance variable to 0, which represents the amount of money the user has, and the total spent is equals to 0, which represents the total amount spent by the user. Number 3, we have the product selection loop, where the program enters a loop where it repeatedly promotes the user to select a product until the user decides to exit. Inside the loop, it checks if the balance is 0 or negative. If so, it promotes the user to insert money using the insert money option. It then calls the select product function to allow the user to select a product. The select product function promotes the user to enter the code of the desired product. It checks if the entered code is valid and if the product is available. If the product is available and the user has enough balance, it dispenses the product, updates the balance, and returns the category and code of the selected product. If the product is out of stock or the balance is insufficient, appropriate messages are displayed. Now next, after each successful purchase, the program updates the balance, total amount spent, and product quality. It asks the user if they want to make another purchase. If the user chooses to exit, it calculates the change, if any, and display the total amount spent along with the thank you message before exiting the loop. Last but not the least is the program termination, where once the user decides to exit the vending machine, the program displays the total amount spent, calculate the change, if any, and print the thank you message. And here the program ends. Thank you.